Awning windows are a versatile and stylish addition to any home, offering an array of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. For homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, a region known for its warm climate and sunny days, awning windows provide unique advantages tailored to the area's weather and lifestyle. Here's why installing awning windows can be a game-changer for Gilbert homes. Enhanced ventilation. One of the primary benefits of awning windows is their superior ventilation capabilities. Unlike traditional windows, awning windows open outward from the bottom, allowing air to flow freely into your home while keeping rain and debris out. This design is especially beneficial in Gilbert, where maintaining fresh air circulation is essential during warmer months. Even during light rain showers, you can keep these windows open without worrying about water entering your home. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for Gilbert homeowners, given the region's hot summers and mild winters. Awning windows are designed to create a tight seal when closed, which helps minimize air leakage and keeps your indoor spaces insulated. This energy-saving feature can lower your cooling costs during the sweltering Arizona summers. Many awning windows also come with double pane or low-E glass options, further enhancing their ability to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce your overall energy consumption. Year-round comfort. In Gilbert's desert climate, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment is essential. Awning windows contribute to year-round comfort by providing excellent thermal insulation. They allow you to take advantage of natural ventilation during cooler evenings and help retain conditioned air during the heat of the day. This balance ensures that your home stays comfortable without over-relying on air conditioning. Maximize natural light. Awning windows are typically smaller in size but are often installed higher on walls, making them perfect for bringing in natural light without sacrificing privacy. This feature is ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, and other spaces where you might want to maintain some seclusion while still enjoying the benefits of sunlight. Maximizing natural light not only makes your home feel brighter and more inviting but also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day. Increased security. The design of awning windows makes them more secure than some other window types. Because they open outward and are hinged at the top, it's challenging for intruders to manipulate or force them open from the outside. Many modern awning windows also feature advanced locking mechanisms that enhance security, providing homeowners with added peace of mind. Space-saving design. Awning windows are a practical choice for smaller spaces or areas where traditional windows may not fit. Their outward opening mechanism means they don't take up any interior space, making them perfect for cramped areas like basements, bathrooms, or above kitchen sinks. Their compact design allows for creative placement, offering flexibility in your home's architectural layout. All-weather functionality. Gilbert occasionally experiences monsoon seasons, which bring heavy rain and strong winds. Awning windows are built to perform well under such conditions. Their unique design shields your home from rain while allowing for ventilation, ensuring your living spaces remain dry and comfortable. Additionally, their sturdy construction can withstand harsh weather conditions, making them a durable choice for the long term. Stylish aesthetic. Awning windows add a modern and sleek touch to your home's aesthetic. Whether you're going for a contemporary or traditional look, these windows can complement various architectural styles. Available in different materials, finishes, and sizes, they can be customized to match your home's design seamlessly. Their clean lines and understated elegance make them a favorite among homeowners looking to enhance curb appeal. Easy maintenance. Keeping windows clean in Gilbert's dusty environment can be a challenge, but awning windows simplify the process. Their outward opening design allows you to easily access both sides of the glass from inside your home, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Additionally, many modern awning windows come with durable, low-maintenance materials that resist corrosion and wear, ensuring they look great for years to come. Improved air quality. The awning windows can help improve indoor air quality by facilitating natural ventilation. By allowing fresh air to flow in and stale air to escape, they help reduce indoor pollutants and allergens. For Gilbert residents who spend a lot of time indoors to escape the heat, this feature can have a significant positive impact on health and comfort. Conclusion. Installing awning windows in Gilbert homes offers a host of benefits that cater to the region's unique climate and lifestyle needs. From enhanced ventilation and energy efficiency to improved security and stylish design, these windows are an investment that pays off in both functionality and aesthetics. If you're considering upgrading your windows, awning windows might just be the perfect fit for your Gilbert home.